Cameron. Do you like it? You like your new car? You did. Yeah. Thank you, Libby. I love it.
Perfect.